starts to bloom. Held my chest, light in the dark.
Okay, so I need to talk about something that's been frustrating me about every AI tool I've tested over the past year, and I've tested a lot of them. You've seen me cover them on this channel. The generation quality has gotten incredible. The models are better than ever, but here's the thing nobody talks about. Every single one of these tools has amnesia. You spend 20 minutes setting up your character, your world, your visual language, generate a clip, it looks great, then you move to the next scene, and the tool has forgotten everything. The character looks different, the color palette shifted, and the tone is gone. And now you're back to square one, redescribing everything from scratch. You're not directing, you're babysitting. And the more ambitious the project, the worse it gets. This is invideo Agent 1, and I want to show you what it actually does because it's not what you think. Invideo spent 2 years building what they call the first AI agent that went to film school. That sounds like marketing, so let me explain what it actually means in practice. You upload your idea, could be a script, a treatment, even just a concept. You define your characters, your world, your visual language, and from that point forward, Agent 1 holds the full context of your project. Everything you tell it is interpreted through that context. You're not starting fresh every clip. You're creating. Let me show you what I built. I started with the treatment, just a few paragraphs describing the world, the characters, the tone I wanted, loaded it into Agent 1, defined 2 characters and a visual style, and then I started directing. And I want you to notice the word I'm using, directing, not prompting, because that's what this feels like. Then I said, I want this to feel like Cappadocia at sunrise. Hundreds of hot air balloons in the sky, that pink and gold light hitting the rock formations. It rebuilt the world to match, not from scratch, building on everything it already knew about my project. This is where it gets interesting. Change my outfit to white. Now in any other tool, that's a simple edit, one image. But Agent 1 understood the applications. It built a new 6-panel character sheet. It identified 3 sequences and 6 images that were affected by that change. And it reworked every single keyframe. One note from me, and every connected shot was handled. I need you to understand why that matters. That's not generation, that's comprehension. The agent didn't just execute a command, it mapped every implication of my creative decision across the entire project. That's the moment where this stopped feeling like a tool and started feeling like a collaborator. And it keeps going. I told it I didn't like the lens flare on a sequence, it locked the frame and altered only the lens treatment. That's a creative judgment. Here's what I ended up with. Every shot shares the same visual language because the agent held the context from the first frame to the last. I've been making videos professionally for over a decade. I've directed music videos for major artists, run commercial campaigns for global brands. I know what a production pipeline looks like. What I just showed you, the fact that one creative note cascades across an entire project without me manually tracking every downstream change, that's something that doesn't even happen seamlessly with a full team. The agent handled implications that a junior editor would miss. Here's where I want to be honest with you. This doesn't replace a crew. It doesn't replace creative judgment. You still have to know what you want. You still have to direct with intention. Agent 1 doesn't make the creative decisions. It executes them with an understanding of your project context. And that distinction matters. This is a tool for people who have a vision and need something that can keep up with it. Every other AI video tool I've used has been a one-shot generator. You put in a prompt, you get a clip, and you're on your own stitching it all together. Invideo Agent 1 is the first one that feels like a system. You direct, it comprehends, and nothing gets lost between steps. I was prompting, now I'm directing, and I'm not going back. If you want to try it, the link is in the description, ai.invideo.io. Go to agent mode, upload a script for a treatment, and see what happens when the tool actually remembers what you told it. Like always, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.